Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FSM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above this lower consolidation area at $3.50. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that if 350 fails and that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at that previous breakout point at 325. So 350, 325, two of the near term levels. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes on, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you're going to best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 350 would be a massive sign of strength, but as long as the price is above that purple line, then from the grand scheme of it all, the bulls are fully in control of the chart. What about areas of resistance? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. Maybe even go to another time frame because I think it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. There we are. So I realize it's hard to see, but this is definitely a good problem to have because it just shows how long it's been since the price has been up this high. So next key overarching area of resistance up there at 370. And then if the price can push up through 370, next key level after that, right up around 378. So 370, 378, next couple areas of resistance. All in all, though, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of chipping away and building those higher bases, then just sit back and let the overall trend continue to do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.